What's going on, guys? I'm here today again for the Jaguar, and now another problem happened in the Jaguar. What happened is uh, I start the car, and like I just moved the car from here to here and parked it and turned it off. That's fine. And then I came like another after like 30-40 minutes, and then I start the car again. It starts and shut off right away, and I'm trying to start it. It's turning but no start, and then like 3-4 times and the battery died. So I think the battery was a little bit weak, and I tried everything. I put a jumper box on it, tried to start it. It didn't start. I tried to I took the terminals and touched them together to reset the computer, and then I tried to start it with the jumper box. It didn't start, and I locked it, unlocked it with the key. I changed the key. I used the second key and everything. It didn't work, and at the end I took the battery out and I put it on the charge for like on the 2 amps charging for 2 days, slow charge. And after that, I took that battery and I put it on the car, and I started start right away. So probably the battery was weak, so that's why the car didn't start. The car's been sitting for like about 2 weeks, and I said, okay, let me drive it because it's been sitting for 2 weeks. At least I charging the battery, moving the car a little bit. Don't leave it like just sitting for that long, and that's it's gonna have another problems when you leave it with no start. So I start the car, start right away. It didn't give me any hard time or something. I was started right away, and I drove it like about 3-4 miles, and I parked it in a Walmart parking lot. I went inside, I came out, I started the car starts but shut off again. It's the same thing happened. So I said, well, why it's not? Probably the battery is like weak, but the battery is good because I've been trying to start the car is like turning really strong but didn't want to start, and the battery died like after 4 or 5 times trying to start it. And I called a friend. He came and he brought me the jumper box. I put it on it. It started right away, but it shut off. I started, starts and shut off. Started again, starts and shut off. So it's keep doing that. It didn't want to stay running. So I ordered a new battery, and let's see if that battery gonna. I know it's Jaguar. It's made like to have the right amps and right voltage, and the jumper box it's gonna give you a jump. That's like it's not right amp and right voltage. It's gonna give you a little bit high in a voltage. It's just a little bit, but the amps is gonna be stronger too. So to start the car, and especially the one I have it's a little bit stronger. It can start like a diesel engine. So I don't know, probably I know it's need that. It's like the BMW, the same thing. It's need the right amps and right voltage and right volt and the right amps. So I ordered a new battery, and we're gonna go there to Walmart parking lot and put that new battery on it and start it and see if it starts. So we hope that is the problem in it, because the other thing is gonna be the fuel pump. But if it's the fuel pump, why it's starting when I put the jumper box? Why it starts and cut off? It should not, because it didn't start when was the battery like have like a little bit life, and it's turned like about 4 or 5 times but didn't want to start. Well, let's see what's gonna happen with it. See you there. Okay guys, here we are in the Jaguar here, and as you can see here, I'm inside the Jaguar, and I got the new battery and I just put it in. I'm gonna show you that. Here we go, this is the new battery. It's been installed already, and now we're gonna try and see if it's gonna start or not. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna start. All right, let's see here. There we go. The car started, no problem, no nothing. Everything is good. Which is mean it's need a good battery, has the good voltage, has the good amps, the right amps, and so once the battery got a little bit weak, that car, it didn't want to start. It started and cut off right away. If you put the jumper box, it's not gonna work, so you have to put the brand new battery on it to start it again. So that was the problem in it. So that's a good thing, it's not the fuel pump. So now it's working fine, nothing wrong, it's running, and well, I'll take it back to the lot. Thank you. And so if you like the video, if it's helping you, so I wish that I appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna put more videos. Well, whenever I have something, I'm gonna put it in. All right, thank you, and see you next time.